We're currently at the Buffalo, New York train station, getting ready to head back to Chicago, Illinois. Come with us. Are you ready?
Keith, Toledo, Brian, Waterloo, AMTRAK, southbound of the final stop Chicago. Also make next Toledo to Detroit, Dearborn, Ann Arbor, Jackson, and East Lansing. Again, now arriving westbound train 49449, Lake Limited.
Thank you. Yeah, the sleepers are the tall ones with extra window up top. That's where I sleep. Top bunk. Oh, yeah. Hi. We got one of the older cars for the train trip home. Rough. I can just see you in the reflection.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. That was Bryan, Ohio. Next station stop in approximately 20 minutes will be Waterloo, Indiana. Yeah, next station stop. Approximately 20 to 25 minutes will be Waterloo. And ladies and gentlemen, at this time, the cafe car is open and serving. Yeah.
Got a whole box this time. There's a steam engine over there. Oh, it's behind the building. I wonder if that's an old track that used to pull up so people could get on and off at that. I missed the steam engine. Fired. Oh, look at that one. Chicago South Shore. It's so sad looking. Choo choo. Here comes one. It's got a caboose! The caboose! The caboose! It's full of graffiti. It's cute though.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. That last stop was Elkhart, Indiana. Our next station stop in approximately 20 minutes or so will be South Bend, Indiana. Yeah, next station stop in approximately 20 minutes will be South Bend. Ladies and gentlemen, this will serve as a last call for service in the cafe car. Just a reminder, cafe car is located in front of all the coaches.
that was a big one. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I should have started counting at the start. There's so many. I wonder how many rails are here. Oh, they just keep going. Look at all those. That one's tipped over. Whoa. Did you see the one that was tipped over? That's a rough looking Whole Foods Market sign. Got some UV damage. Just like that, we are back in the Midwest, and that concludes our AMTRAK Train trip from Chicago, Illinois to Buffalo, New York, and then up to Niagara Falls for the weekend. Thanks so much for following along and joining us. If you haven't seen our videos from the Buffalo, New York, and Niagara Falls area, I can post those down below. Have a great day. Bye.